Welcome back. So today in our art class, we're going to be making this cute little bird. Isn't that so cute? So you guys should have all of your materials that you need in your bag. We have our feathers and all the other pieces that we need, our stars, our eyeball, our actual bird piece in here. And you guys remember the first thing that we do is we glue our papers together, right? So let's get started. Okay, so we have our example bird here. You guys want to look at that real quick? And I'll go ahead and leave this here on the side. And you guys should have your bags of supplies. So I emptied mine. I have my bird, my feet. I am looking for my beak. And a beak. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a minute to gather your materials. But first thing we're going to do is glue our paper down, okay? Feathers, feathers everywhere. All right. And glue it right down. Okay, do you guys have everything together? So next we're going to put down our little tree limb that the bird's gonna sit on, okay? So let's go ahead and put our glue. How are you guys doing today? How was your day? Did you have a lot of fun in school? Okay, so however you want to put it down, go ahead. So tree limb down. Next, we are going to put our little birdie. What color birdie do you have? Is yours green too? Or do you have a different color? Okay, I'm going to put glue on the birdie. Perfect. Look at how cute that already looks, you guys. Aww. All right. So next we can add our little feet. Go ahead and put some glue on your feet. I guess I could probably put that under there, huh? Oop, not enough glue. More glue. All right. So there's one. Make sure and hold it down. Maybe mine doesn't look good there. Come here. Okay, maybe I'm not going to put them under because the feathers are going to cover it anyway, just so we can see better how we want to put them down. Maybe like that. All right. Now we can add our beak. So go ahead and put some glue on your beak. Perfect, great job. So cute. Okay, are you guys ready for the next steps? This is a pretty easy one today. So maybe we can go ahead and put our moon and we can start adding our feathers. So the best way to do this will be for you guys to just put glue on your bird and then put the feather down, okay? So let's see. Maybe I will do like this. That'd be cute. And then just be creative. Wherever you want to put them, however you want to put them. make sure you put enough glue and then hold it down, okay? Put an orange one. I'm gonna put another one right here. And just get your bird filled up with feathers. Maybe you can save some of the little ones for the head. That one's too big. Maybe this one. another fluffy piece on there. Let's see. Maybe right here. I want one more for the top of the head. Maybe we can do like that. Oh, we need some for the tail. Let's find some little ones. Okay, let's do some of this tail here. It was hiding. All right. Oops, stuck to my fingers. Put another one right here. All right. So how are your birdies looking? Here's mine. We still have some more to do. Looking cute, don't you think? Shall we go ahead and put our eyeball? So I have a small eyeball here. And I think we can go ahead and put some glue. Put a little bit of glue on the eyeball too. And then put it down and hold it in place, okay guys? We want our eyeball to stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that will be good. Okay, now we have a little collar that we can put down on our birdie. And put it down right there on it. Okay, we can try. I don't know if it will stay. Right here. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoop. I pulled some feathers out while I was doing that. All right. Are you guys ready to do your pretty twinkly stars? Let's put some stars, okay? Whoops. I have feathers stuck to me. How about you guys? Silly feathers. Well, go ahead and put your stars wherever you want to put them. Whoops, not on the feathers. We'll put one up here by his head. I think I need 2 more stars. All right, you guys. So I think that I am finished with this one. This was a pretty easy one to get through, huh? Pretty easy and super cute. Make sure my feathers aren't gonna fall off. Right, here's my finished one. What do you guys think? Does it look good? All right, guys, so now what do we do? Do you remember what we do when we get done with our project? We put everything back in the bag if we have anything left, right? Clean up our mess. So I have a few feathers left. I have some eyeballs. Some more stars to put away. And my glue so I don't lose it, right? And close up our bag. And if you have any little trash left over, pick it up and throw it in the trash can, okay? All right, so we have all the rest of our stuff in the bag, and we have our finished birdie. How cute is that? So I hope you guys enjoyed this art project today, and I hope you guys keep coming back for more. We have art every Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. and Thursdays at 10:30 a.m. So, you know, even if you're not there at that time, these videos will be available to you after that time if you guys want to go and check them out. I have a couple more that are before this video, so you should go and check out all that stuff. So much fun stuff to do. I have my daughter doing some of these projects and she's having so much fun, and it's fun just to watch this video and learn how to do these cute little simple projects. So I hope you guys liked today's video brought to you by Roca, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!